How to turn on notifications on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here you want to click on notifications, and from the first section that says push notifications, click on any one of these options, and then scroll all the way down and click on additional options in system settings, the blue text. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the Instagram notifications section of your mobile phone. Start by turning on all of the Instagram notifications. Click on this toggle right here, and it will give you other options such as the IGTV notifications and the direct notifications, etc. Click on the toggles next to these options to turn them on. And once you do that, you will get even more details and some custom notifications that you can turn on depending on what you need. So you can turn some of them on while leaving others off, or you can just turn all of them on, such as you can see, the comments, the likes, the friend requests, the mentions, etc. Keep clicking on these toggles to turn them on. And once you do that, you have just turned on all of the Instagram notifications. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and turn on the Instagram notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.